Welcome to this quick guide on how to find chat hosts of a Facebook community on your PC. Facebook has recently updated its features, making it easier to manage and interact with your communities. Let's dive into the simple steps to locate those important chat hosts. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look for the messenger icon. It's usually located in the top right corner of your screen, resembling a speech bubble or chat icon. Give it a click to open up your messages. Now, here's where the new update comes in handy. In the Messenger window, you'll see a section called Communities. This is where all your Facebook groups with active chats are listed. Scroll through until you find the specific community you're interested in and click on it. Once you're in the community chat, you'll notice the community's name at the top of the chat window. Click on this name to open up more options. A new menu will appear, and from here, select Members. This will bring up a list of all the members in your community. Finally, to find those all-important chat hosts, look for the Chat Hosts option. It should be prominently displayed, usually near the top of the members list. Click on it, and voila! You'll see a list of all the designated chat hosts for that particular community. And there you have it. In just a few simple clicks, you can now easily identify who's running the show in your Facebook community chats. This new update makes it so much more convenient to connect with the right people and stay in the loop. Remember, chat hosts play a crucial role in maintaining a vibrant and engaging community, so don't hesitate to reach out to them if you have any questions or ideas to share. Happy chatting, and enjoy your Facebook communities.